Hey everyone, if you finished creating your video in InVideo and want to save it to your device, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to download videos from InVideo step by step in 2026. First, visit the InVideo website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, open the video project you want to download. Before exporting, review your video carefully. Watch the entire project and make sure the scenes, text, transitions, voiceovers, music, and visual effects are exactly the way you want them. Next, save any recent changes to ensure the latest version of your project is ready for export.